Working together. Demystifying work problems in arithmetic. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating aspect of arithmetic word problems, work problems. These problems test your ability to analyze situations where multiple entities are working together to complete a task. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident tackling these questions. Work problems often involve two or more people or machines working together to complete a task. The key is to determine how fast they work and then find out how long it will take them to complete the task when working together. Example: John can paint a fence in 5 hours, and Mary can paint the same fence in 3 hours. How long will it take them if they paint it together? To solve this, we have to find out how much of the fence John and Mary can paint in 1 hour and then add their work rates together. When setting up equations for work problems, remember: 1. Rate is the work done per unit of time. 2. The combined rate is the sum of the individual rates. 3. Total work is usually represented as one complete task, like painting one fence. Using the previous example, John's rate, 15, frac. 1, 5, 51 of the fence per hour. Mary's rate, 13, frac. 1, 3, 31 of the fence per hour. Combined rate, 15 plus 13, frac. 1, 5, plus, frac. 1, 3, 51 plus 3, 1. To find out how long they'd take together, you divide the total work, one fence, by their combined rate. 1. Always identify the rates. Start by finding out how much work each person or machine can do per unit of time. 2. Be cautious of the common pitfalls. Sometimes, work problems might try to trick you with different units or varying rates. 3. Practice makes perfect. The more problems you solve, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns and setting up your equations quickly. Work problems might seem intimidating at first, but with a clear understanding of the basics and consistent practice, you'll master them in no time. We hope this video made the concept clearer and more approachable for you. Keep practicing, and you'll ace these questions with ease. Happy learning!